Yeah, I definitely don't have a proper intro, but I'm gonna get into it. That you know, I just woke up here looking a little crazy. I didn't even do my edges, nothing. Lashes look fucked up, as always. Like, yes, make sure you get the cook in here too. I told them to look cute for the vlog, and look at them.
First of all, we just woke up on a wake up. Gotta cook all this food
Look at
so she could eat. Period. To be allowed, no, we still pretty.
Bro, say hi, say hi. What do you have to say to my fans?
Like and subscribe.
Period. You heard what she said. What you have to say to my fans?
I don't know. Panda Express!
I'm trying to get him and he just, yeah. What y'all eating?
I'm eating French toast with biscuit and sausages. And I'm eating two waffles, two sausages, and grapes.
Hey y'all, so I don't know, but it is Saturday night. It's like 9 something at night right now, and I look crazy. I gotta get myself together. I'm going to get ready to go out soon. I'm supposed to be going out with my friends, my homegirls, the girls, my homegirls. We're supposed to be going out. I am legit freezing and tired, y'all. I had a long Friday. I didn't take no nap. I went to bed like at what, 1 something. And I'm about to go out with the girlies. So I don't know if y'all want to, oh, my head itching. I don't know if y'all want to watch me get ready, but I don't know. We're not gonna vlog that. It just looks crazy. Welcome back to my vlog. Yeah, I'm about to end my night and go to sleep. So today is day 3 of this weekend, which is Sunday. Today's Sunday. I'm going out for brunch. Me and my friend, we're going to some ramen place, and yeah, so I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna come back on camera and put it together, type of thing. I'm just wearing like a local calm something, nothing too drippy, but all black. It's really cold outside and I don't got time, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm leaving. If not, then when I'm at the restaurant. I'm leaving right now. Okay, bye. Hey y'all, I'm outside. It is actually not that bad. Yesterday it was fucking freezing, but I'll get back to y'all when I'm in the train. It's so nice in here, for real. Look at my pretty friend. Say hi. Ew. You could do another bowl of rice.
Oh, that's nice. I think you said that one was
Yes. All right, y'all, I'm back in the house. I'm gonna do like a full rate of the restaurant for you guys, so give me a second. I'm gonna set you up and talk to y'all. Okay, so the restaurant was, overall I give it 6 out of 10. The food was good, but it wasn't my cup of tea type of good. So like, would I go back? Maybe, yeah. But would I keep going back? No. It was nice to experience. It wasn't bad. It was like an all-you-can-eat buffet. So basically you're paying and you can have any type of food you want in that rank. And they was like, oh, don't OD because you're gonna have to pay the fee, some type of fee. I don't know what kind of fee was that, but baby, we did not pay for that fee. So basically it was like $30, I'll say like $32. Say hi, friend. Introduce yourself. What's your name?
I'm Tati.
Why you acting so shy? And we about to try these corn dogs, so let's go. Okay.
He fucking that shit up. Oh God! Stop, y'all! Y'all are being.
Alright, so what would you rate this one?
I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright, I'm gonna give it a, no, matter of fact, a 7.5 to an 8. Because there's no actual dog in it. Like, there's no meat in there.
Oh, she likes the glizzies, guys.
Alright, not too much. That makes sense because I did get a filling, but I thought it was still gonna be meat in there. But it's good. Overall, it's good. 8 out of 10.
Oh, it's giving flogger. A 9 out of 10. Inside, potatoes.
Get a close up.
Cheetos. And some type of sauce. I don't know. But
Would you get it again?
definitely. Okay, so next up is the ranch one. And I hope there's no corn dog in there, for real. It looked real nasty. Oh my God, why would I get this flavor? All right.
Oh, you gotta fill in. Let me see the inside.
This one wasn't too bad, but I'll give it a 5 out of 10. I won't get this flavor again. Wow, we're thrifting. I don't even like this thrifting shop. You see something you like? How much is for one shirt? $68 for one shirt. What kind of thrift? What kind of thrift shop is this? 89.
Oh, you're wow.
19 for these ugly ass shirts. Yeah, anyways, we're coming to the end of this vlog weekend in my life. I did something every single day. So, anyways, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my face, please click that subscribe button and subscribe to see more of me.